So by now, most of you should know, my name is Yusef Scott, and I want to welcome you to the Forex University. Alright, so by now, most of you should know that my name is Yusef Scott, and I'm the guy behind the Forex University, also known as the Forex GOAT Online. In fact, if you have not yet checked out that site, it's www.theforex.com. Alright? Now listen, as I always tell you guys, very grateful and thankful to have you guys here watching another one of my videos. I realize you guys are on someone else's channel right now, but luckily enough, you're watching my content. Alright? So I'm going to make sure that I bring you value. All right? Now listen, there's a question that come in through email, through DM on social media, you know, Facebook, Instagram. It come in quite often, so I thought I would make a video around this topic, and please forgive me. I should have made this video a long time ago, okay? Now the question that come in is, am I able to trade on a small account using your strategy? So let me break this down for you guys real quick. I'm gonna break this down. So with my strategy, okay, it doesn't matter what size of an account you have. You can trade my strategy with a very small account or a very large account, okay? When you have a really good strategy, you can trade it on in any market and as well as any account size, okay? Now, we have a strategy for the account size, and that's the money management strategy. So as long as you're following the rules to entering the market with the perfect entry strategy or the low-risk scalping strategy, okay, as long as you follow those rules, then your execution of the trade should be solid, okay? Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but you know, it should be solid, okay? Now, whether or not you can trade the strategy with a small account, like I said, that's determined on the money management strategy itself. So for instance, if you have a $100 account versus a $1,000 account or a $10,000 account, there is a volume amount that the money management strategy would tell you need to trade at. So when you follow that strategy, when you follow the rules to selecting your volume amount, you're good to go, because you're going to have enough cushion should the market, you know, pull back or do something out of the ordinary. All right, so that's very important to know. Yes, you are able to trade with a small account using any of my strategies. All right, see, the money management strategy will determine your starting point volume-wise. That's it. Whatever's in your account, it will determine where you need to start at for your account size. The execution of, or the comprehension, you realizing how to execute a trade will determine your success, okay? So once you already selected, or you already determined, okay, I need to be at this volume, okay, you're done. Now you need to find the best entry based on the perfect entry strategy, all right? And that strategy is going to show you the setup. So for instance, you have trader A and trader B. One may be at 10,000, the other person may be at, let's say, 3,000. They're going to be trading at different volumes, because one person, the guy with the larger account, his account is weighted heavier. You know, his account he has more in his account, versus the other person, the other traders they're trading with a small account. So when you follow that and you have a solid strategy, you're good to go, okay? So remember, once you get into the trade with the perfect entry strategy, you should have already realized what volume you should be trading at. Once you're in the trade, you're now following the stay in your trade strategy that will keep you in the market to tell you when to get out the market, okay? So very simple, nothing complicated about this, okay? I pride myself on making things as easy as possible, because there are a lot of people out here who put out information to make you feel like, you know, it's complicated, or the information that's put out it's complicated. You know, they don't mean to make it complicated, but they're explaining it. I guess their explanation doesn't work with you. So I pride myself on creating ways to get my students to comprehend it and retain information so that we're all on the same level. All right, it just makes sense. Okay, so hopefully this video made sense to you guys. And as I always tell you guys, very thankful to have you guys here. Listen, if you guys are not already doing this, get connected with us on all platforms. All right, make sure you remember in these times we live in, you know, remember this. You have to stay healthy, stay safe, and remember to stay prayed up. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. It's time to hit the gym. All right, peace everyone.